In this video, I'm going to guide you through the process of creating a new list on Boingnet. This is usually the first step you're going to need to take when creating a new campaign. When creating a new list, we can proceed to the top navigation bar and click the Lists link. This will take us to a page with all of our pre-existing lists displayed in chronological order. To create a new list, we can simply go to the top right of our screen and click Create New Contact List. This will take us to a page where we can fill out some basic information about the list that we're creating. To get started, I'm going to give my list a name. In this case, I'm just going to call this list Watson's Candy. This is just a company that we're going to use throughout these tutorials for demonstration purposes. Next, we're going to want to upload our CSV file. To upload your list, simply click Choose File. For demonstration purposes, I have a pre-populated list that I've created. And it includes some basic data fields like last name, first name, and address. Some other fields that you may not include, like channel. Once you've saved off your list in the CSV file format, you're ready to upload. Simply go back to your page, choose the list that you'd been working on, and click the Upload button. Once your file is done uploading, it should send you a message back that says complete. Sometimes it'll throw an error and say that your file couldn't be uploaded, and this is usually due to the fact that the file was in the CSV format. And then it's just a matter of re-uploading the CSV file. But if everything goes smoothly, you should be able to click the Next button, and you'll be taken to the mapping page. Now, this may seem a little bit unfamiliar to new users. Essentially what this page does is it allows you to map your fields in your CSV file to the corresponding spots in the Boingnet database. So there's some standard fields that are included like first name, last name, and a lot of other variables that are typically included in campaigns. However, below this divider we've got spaces for variable data that may not be standard. So for example, if we revisit our template from before, we've got channel. This is one of those pieces of data that we can map to the variable data section on the mapping page. And it's really simple. Select the field from the drop-down and it'll enter into the section that you specify. So I'm just going to take a moment here and really quickly run through mapping these fields to the corresponding spots. And depending on how long your list is, this process can take shorter or longer. But you're going to want to make sure that you include all of the fields that are required for your campaign. So I've included most of the fields present in that list. And once I'm done, I can simply click the Finish button. It'll take a couple of seconds and it'll take you to this page. Sometimes if your list is longer, it takes a couple of seconds. But once you're done, you can click Manage it from here. It'll take you to the page that we were on before, and you will see your list right at the top.